reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you what a cheap speaker can do. So I paid for this speaker less than $100, but it is big as the JBL Party Box 320 and it has the power, 100 watts of power. So it's similar in power with the JBL Party Box in Core 2. So this speaker brand new in a store cost around $150, but I paid for it resealed from the store less than $100. So let's see what we have in the box, because I am very curious. As you see, it is as big as the JBL Party Box 320 and it should have a wireless microphone inside. So we get much for very few bucks. So the warranty, the microphone that looks really cheap, we get here a remote control and the power cable. And now let's see the speaker. It is not that heavy. I think it has around 10 kilograms. So this is the Vortex VO2618 portable Bluetooth speaker. As you see, it is big as it is bigger than the JBL Party Box 320, but let's see what it will do. So let us turn it on. Okay, so let's see it closer. It has beautiful lights. As you see, it has lights on the woofers, and it has even LED bars on the sides. It has lights on top. So I really like the looks of this speaker. Now let's see the interface buttons. As you see, it has the micro SD card, the USB, AUX, guitar in, mic 1 and mic 2. This is the LED button for charging the speaker, on and off button, mic volume control, volume here. As you see, it has a small display on the front that you will see the volume and the lights. Let me change it. So it looks pretty good. So for $150, in my opinion, it looks very good. Of course, you will see that it doesn't sound that good as the JBL Party Box 320, and the interface, it looks cheaper, but it looks okay for $150. We get lots of speaker for $150. And as you see on the box, it has two 7.8 inch bass driver and one 1 inch mid speaker, but I can see the woofers, but I cannot see. So we have here a small driver and something here. Of course, the bass port, it is on the back here and nothing more. The battery, you cannot remove it very easily, but it looks good. It really looks good. Look at it compared to the JBL Party Box 320 that it is here. So let us see how it will sound.
The chase and the hunting, I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, mind, almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mine over everything.
it is clearly. Let me try a different song and play with the equalizer. This is the battery, the RC.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an
So it has the pop equalizer, the rock equalizer, the jazz equalizer, the classic. Okay, so I find that the jazz, it sounds the best.
I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a thin exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah. Now that I've been through that, I never died.
So let's see if the microphone works. Yeah. These are the maximum level. Maximum. Okay. So I got the point. So as I receive it in the box, it doesn't sound good, but when you switch the equalizer and go to the jazz equalizer, you can definitely feel the bass, you can feel everything. I can definitely tell that it is louder than the JBL Party Box in Core 2, but not as loud as the JBL Party Box 320. The microphone works. Please subscribe. It doesn't work that good. It has a reverb, but okay, but it sounds good, you know. Hello. Yeah. What can I say about this speaker? For $150 or resealed less than $100, you get a speaker that looks very good. It has the microphone, it has the remote control, it has the looks. Look at the lights, it looks really cool. It is not that heavy. It has a battery life of only 3 to 4 hours at 50 and 70% of the volume, so it will stay at a party. Of course, the sound, it is not amazing, but for $150 you get lots of speaker, and you get a speaker that really looks very good. So what can I say? If you want something loud and cheap, this is the way to go. But if you want that the bass to feel in your chest, in your lungs, in your everything, in your legs, I will not buy this speaker. Of course, you can feel the bass, but it's not that deep and it's not that powerful, you know. From 1 to 10 as sound quality, I will place it at around 4. While the Encore 2 and the JBL Party Box 320, I will place it at around probably 9 out of 10. But for the price, for the looks, for the size, for the loudness, for the bass, I can definitely tell you that this is a good speaker. Of course, I will not use it, but if you want a cheap speaker, this is really cheap, this is the way to go. So this is the Vortex VO2618 portable Bluetooth speaker. It has 100 watts of power. It is louder than the Encore 2, but as bass, I will not place it as loud. In another video, I will make a cross comparison between these three speakers to see exactly the difference in power with the decibel meter. But till then, I will recommend you, if you want a cheap speaker and don't have money for something bigger, because the JBL Party Box Encore 2 costs $350 or $400 with 2 microphones, and this for less than $150 comes with a microphone. So Yeah, I'm amazed. The sound it is not great, as I told you, 4 in 10. But yeah. What is your opinion about this speaker? Will you buy this kind of speaker or not? Please tell me in the comments. Till then, feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers! Yeah. I am amazed. Even the lights looks very good. This is a metal grill. It has wheels on the bottom. Thank you. Bye.